What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that I mentioned on vacation. This was a project that I think a lot of people can definitely profit from and already have profited from, but I feel like it's just really gaining in popularity, and you could see the level of impact that it's having via the volume. You can see via the market cap. You can see via the previous price history. But I talked about this while I was on vacation in June, and this was about a month ago that we mentioned this. So I want to talk about PeiPei, which is the kind of a twist on Matt Fury's famous Pepe the Frog, and I feel like Pepe has that popularity, and you're always going to have that tied to different things that are within the same range or within the same realm. However, having a slight twist on it that makes it a little bit different. Does that make sense? So we're going to talk about this project here today. We're going to mention where it was, where it is now, and also go through a little bit of the tokenomics and stuff like that so you guys understand that piece of it. But if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you check out all of the links for PeiPei, I will put those at the top of the list, top of the description, so you guys can see all that stuff and do the research yourself. Again, it's always about when you do the research and what you decide to put forward if you are seeing that it has an opportunity. Obviously, everybody doesn't have the same amount of money. But when we look at it percentage wise, we can always navigate through that. So feel free to check out those links down below and see if you like the project. But this is the website. We're not going to stay on the website for too long because I do want to jump to where it was previously. But PeiPei, the Frog, is a twist on Matt Fury's famous Pepe the Frog. You can go and see the chart, what it's all about. PeiPei token merges the beloved Pepe meme with the charm of Pepe cultural elements, resulting in a refreshing and captivating synthesis that pays homage to tradition while embracing the future. Um, if we go and look at their Twitter account currently stands at 14.1K followers, so they're definitely gaining more and more popularity. They were at 8,000 followers last time I talked about them, so almost doubling the amount of followers there, seeing definitely a lot of hype and a lot of popularity there. And also, we can go back to the video that I created, right? This is the video that I created. I was on vacation at the time, and it was at $77 million market cap. So it's no scrub, right? It's no scrub to being popular and having a high market cap and being able to sustain that market cap. Sorry, let me unclick that. But you also have $15 million worth of volume. And I wanted to show how that does change, because right now you're looking at a 19% volume to market cap ratio at that level. But if we go back here and we look at where it stands today, where PeiPei token stands today, it's currently at $83 million market cap. And that's even after seeing the entire market pull back. All meme coins also pull back. And this is sitting at $117 million worth of volume. We're talking about 140% volume to market cap ratio. Definitely seeing a higher level of popularity there, and you have many different places that it is available on. You're talking about Gate.io, MEXC, LBank, Bitmart, XT.com, 34 other trading pairs that you have there. So it definitely shows that it's available. It has the popularity. People are talking about it. I do want to look at exactly where things were in the last 7 days. We can see that this is down about 6%. In the last month, it's still up 21.37% at the time of recording this video. So again, seeing this at an 83 or sustain a 70 plus, 80 plus million dollar market cap is huge, absolutely huge. $117 million worth of volume. I'll take that any day. All of the supply is out there, 96% if you want to be specific, but 96% of the supply is out there and available. But again, it's showing popularity across the board from kind of start to finish. If we look at any more information, let me go back here and look at the different information that you have here. How to buy, you can buy on many different places. I just talked about how to buy, but I did want to talk about the tokenomics and what's the detail there. 0% taxes, no BS. It's that simple. 0% buy, 0% sell. This is a project that, again, I've noticed just a little bit, because you look at the potential compared to a PeiPei, compared to the token that it's twisting from, and you're looking at billions of dollars worth of potential, especially within that meme coin sector where anything could absolutely blow up. Another thing is, the person that came out and said famously that you should buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, right? I saw this video plenty of times where you buy $1 worth of Bitcoin way back when, 11 years ago, where they're like, just buy it. All you have to do is just buy some. That's all you have to do. You own a little bit of it and you'll be good. You don't have to own a crazy amount, just own a little bit of it. They're not asking a lot, just own this, put it aside. Eventually you'll thank him, right? And famously, obviously, he was right to say buying Bitcoin at that stage, whether you bought $1, $10, $100, and just holding on to it for a long period of time and just kind of forgetting about it, would honestly make you so much money in the end. Well, he's resurfaced and he's actually talking about different projects where he talks about Brett, he talked about PeiPei, and he also has talked about PeiPei token. So he's mentioned this in an Instagram video or reel, talking about PeiPei, talking about Brett, and how he knows what the next coin is. And he mentions PeiPei. You can see it here, and he goes through how to buy it and everything there. So this honestly could be big as well, to where he's basically saying, hey, all you have to do is buy a little bit of this. If you have China unbanning crypto, you have 3x the population, you have ETFs, you have all these things that are going for this project. He's basically saying buy it. And honestly, PeiPei token looks like it has that massive potential. Let me go to see how many holders are in this as well. If you go over here, it has actually 25,000 holders within it, and I feel like that's huge. To be able to have single digit thousands of holders is huge, but to be able to have tens of thousands and work your way up from there and see that consistently grow, that's really big. So what I think you guys should do is I will provide all the links to PeiPei down below. You guys can go and give it a look, give it a check, see what it's all about and what they have going for them. Because when you think about it, you have the Chinese PeiPei and you have the upcoming ETFs. You have China that unbanned crypto and 3x the population of America. You're talking about so much more of people that may say, hey, you know what? We see this as value. We see this as maybe an adoption in a way. We see this as a meme coin that could provide us with a ton more gains in the end. I think could end up running quite a bit. So the total supply that they do have, you're looking at million, billion, trillion. You have 420 trillion, 690 billion total tokens. And again, all of that is introduced here in total, or most of it, right? 96% of it. I want you guys to give it a look. I want you guys to go check it out. Just like I did before, I'm going to provide the links to the website, to their Twitter account, to the contract, to their chart, to everything that you need to know. And hopefully you guys can, make the decision for yourself on what you want to do. But again, to know where you can get it from, if you have availability on gate.io, MEXC, if you want to buy it directly on Uniswap, you can, LBank, Bitmart, XT.com, and many others. But like I said, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out any of my links if you want to down there right below all the links for PeiPei token. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.